Hi folks, from the factory floor here at ABE Beverage Equipment. I am Tanner Littrell. What I have behind me here is a Patriot 500-gallon hybrid still. A little bit about it. The fill volume is 500 gallons up to the top of the jacket. It's a full copper pot. We paired it with a Leeson explosion-proof motor and gearbox. This still comes with a whiskey helmet. Also has a 4-plate whiskey column and a 12-plate vodka column to take your beautiful nectar from a vapor state back to a liquid state. We've paired this with a 96 tube and shell heat exchanger. Also catching that wonderful spirit is the ABE Spirit Safe. This unit has 3 bins inside of it. You rotate the parrot inside of the Spirit Safe. Your head's bin is 40 gallons, your heart's bin is 120 gallons, and your tail's bin is 40 gallons. I am Tanner Littrell from the factory floor here at ABE Beverage Equipment. Give us a call. Our phone number is 402-475-2337. Look forward to speaking to you.